think? Get a picture while we're up here? Want to get an action picture while I'm... I guess I'll...
Take off your badge. Maybe just for pictures. Take it for you.
I'm messing
Here.
with color up. What about this? Say when. Okay, good evening, everybody. Good evening. I want to welcome everybody to an unforgettable evening of elegance and remembrance, where the glimmer of accolades meet the heartfelt embrace of cherished memories. Thank you for joining us for a special awards night, a unique celebration that transcends the ordinary, weaving together recognition and remembrance into a tapestry of grace and honor. Tonight, IAF Honors stands out not only for the outstanding accomplishments that will be lauded, but also for a very special memorial for Pierre Bellemare. I'd like to begin tonight with a sense of reverence and gratitude as we honor our dear colleague and friend to many.
My name is Pierre Bellemare. I'm with Bellemare Inc. I assist people in obtaining their electrical license in Florida, including burglary and fire alarm. Back in 1978, I was a car salesman with my brother. We started a little company, there was 4 of us, and we designed a small alarm system out of parts from Radio Shack. And we started this business called Safeguard Security Systems. Today, AAF is a very needed thing because they have the resources of knowing everything that's going on in the market. But one of the things the AAF is trying to do, I believe, is to try to get people face to face again. That's one of the things that's really hurt us in the past, because once you lose personality, that I can't see you or can't talk to you, you lose something. You lose the personality, and if that could return, even in a smaller way, it'll grow. I think today the world's really changed since the early days that I did. It's a totally different market. But I say to you that I believe in America. And if you're there today and you're thinking about it, go for it. Because if you go for it, you can't make a mistake. You can only go forward. Don't look back and just keep trying, dream, and go for your goal, and you'll definitely can make it.
Excuse me while I get myself back together. I would just want to thank Louis and Daniel for being with us tonight. Obviously, our deepest sympathies are with you and your family. Before we get started, I'd also like to extend an invite to anyone in the room who was touched by Pierre in any way. Come forward. Feel free to come forward, gather around the stage as we honor him, because I know there are so many in this room that he has touched along the way. Thank you. I have a whole box.
Don't be shy, come on,
Yeah.
guys.
It was in the script. Shannon knows me. Sorry. I'm still trying to get myself together here. What's that? All right. Thank you. Now I'd like to announce a new honor bestowed by IAF with the introduction of the Founding Fathers Memorial Award. This award is a symbol of enduring gratitude and recognition. It is a bridge that spans generations, connecting the pioneers of our association with those who continue to carry the torch of progress. It is a beacon inspiring current and future leaders to emulate the spirit of unity and resilience that defines our collective legacy. We felt it was only fitting that Pierre is our inaugural recipient. The inscription reads, again, yeah, can you take that back?
Take your word for it.
Yeah.
Yeah. We believe you.
In loving memory of the countless contributions Pierre made to the industry. Louis and Daniel, please accept our inaugural Founding Fathers Memorial Award on behalf of your beloved brother, Pierre. All right. Louis and Daniel, again, I can't thank you enough. Thank you, Clarence, for not making me the only one. Oh. Oh, okay. Thank you again for making the trip up here to be with us tonight. Pierre meant so much to so many, as you can see, and he was a blessing to everyone he met during his time here. Pierre, we know you're Pierre, we know you're resting peacefully now with your Lord and Savior. So I guess we've broken the myth of whether Marines cry or not, huh? Thank you, Mark. Thank you. Thank you. I would also like to announce, for those of you that missed, that we're not in our General Assembly, our inaugural Pierre Bellemare Memorial Invitational Golf Tournament that will be held next year during our convention. We hope you can all join us in continuing to honor Pierre for years to come. With that, dinner will be served, and then we'll come back to you in a bit. Thank you.
You want to just hold the tissue box out here for people as they leave the stage, or? No, we're gonna. Thank you. No phone. Thank you very much. Would you please?
He already knows, trust me.